How to set up Twitch VOD video on demand settings on mobile. To save your streams, you must use your phone's web browser as the Twitch app does not allow you to change this setting. So simply close your Twitch application. Instead, head over to your browser and just search for Twitch and log into your profile. After you log in, just make sure that you request a desktop site, which you can do if you're using Chrome. Simply tap on the vertical dots and scroll down, and here you'll find desktop site. Make sure that this is toggled on. Then simply head back to the Twitch. Now you need to go to your dashboard. Simply zoom in to your profile and tap on there, and simply head over to the creator dashboard. Now all you need to do is head over to your settings, simply tap on the setting gear icon and tap on stream. Now you need to enable your VOD, that is video on demand. Scroll down and you'll find VOD settings and stream rewind, and make sure that you turn on store past broadcast button on, and it will automatically save broadcast for up to 7 days, that is 14 days for affiliates, 6 days for partners, turbo and prime users. Now once you toggle on store past broadcast, a few other options will appear for you to check, such as the always publish videos. Now if you turn this on, your saved streams will automatically show up on your channel page for viewers to watch even after you are done doing live. And that's basically it, guys. In this way you will be able to easily set up your Twitch VOD settings on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.